Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a complete guide to secure virtual data rooms. So let's get started. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about VDRs, including what they do, how they work, the benefits of using them, how to choose the right VDR for your needs, how to set up and use a VDR, best practices for using a VDR. What is a secure virtual data room? A secure virtual data room is a cloud-based software solutions that provides a secure way to store and share confidential documents and information. VDR are typically used by businesses during mergers and acquisition, due diligence, and other high-stakes transactions. How does a secure virtual data room work? VDR work by creating a secure online environment where users can access authorized documents. By users are typically authenticated using multiple factors such as passwords and one-time passwords. Once authenticated, users can view, download, and print documents as needed. Benefits of using a secure virtual data room. Security. VDRs use a variety of security features to protect data, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. This helps to ensure that only authorized users can access the data, and that any access is tracked and recorded. Convenience. VDR make it easy to share documents with multiple users regardless of their location. This can save time and money, and it can also help to streamline the due diligence process. Collaboration. VDRs often include features that allow users to collaborate on documents such as annotation tools and discussion forums. This can help to improve communication and understanding between parties involved in a transaction. Conclusion. Secure virtual data rooms are a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. They can help to protect sensitive data, streamline the due diligence process, and improve communication and collaboration between parties involved in the transaction. If you are considering using a secure virtual data room, I encourage you to do your research and choose a VDR provider that offers the features and security that you need. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I hope you have understood the topic. We will meet in the next video. Till that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.